Fibertex Personal Care is one of the leading producers of Spundbond nonwovens. The nonwovens are essential key components when designing and manufacturing baby diapers, sanitary napkins and adult incontinence care products. Producing these materials is a very technical and complex process. And the key to success lies not in the right machinery, technology or people, but in the intersection of all three. As pioneers in operating state-of-the-art machinery from Rycofil, we've obtained many years of extensive know-how. The Spundbond nonwovens from Fibertex are produced from raw materials known as polymers. The raw material is stored as granulate in large silos. From here, it's transported through pipes into the main hopper. From the main hopper, the granulate enters the extruder and is heated up to a molten state. The polymer melt is then filtered and dosed into the coat hanger and subsequently the die. Exiting the die holes, the melt forms individual filaments. These filaments are cooled down by cold air in the quench zone and stretched to attain the desired fiber diameter. At the bottom of the stretch chamber, a diffuser creates turbulence, forcing the fibers to disperse evenly on the air-permeable spin belt, forming a homogeneous web of fibers. Depending on the line configuration, one or more Spundbond layers can be added on top of the first layer. The resultant web is processed through large heated steel rollers, also known as the calendar nip, where the individual fibers and layers are pointwise thermally fused. The consolidated Spundbond nonwoven material is then wound up in large jumbo rolls. These rolls are subsequently slit into smaller rolls to meet individual customer needs. If high barrier properties are required, we combine Spundbond and melt-blown technology. To produce melt-blown fibers, polymer is spun through a spinneret with hundreds of holes in a single row. Streams of hot air exiting both sides of the spinneret tip attenuate the polymer melt to form ultrafine filaments, which are subsequently blown by high-velocity air onto a collector screen. The result is a melt-blown layer with excellent barrier properties. More layers of melt-blown fibers can be combined for optimum product performance. Using our existing technology platform and extensive know-how, we've invested in intensive research and development together with trusted partners. We're very proud now to be able to introduce a new technology, High Loft Spundbond, making us able to produce Fibertex Loft, nonwovens with unparalleled level of softness. By combining two polymers with different characteristics in the same fiber, it's possible to obtain helical crimped fibers. Nonwovens containing such fibers in combination with a newly developed open dot bonding pattern exhibits a lofty structure and are perceived extremely soft. You've now heard about our technology and how we combine innovative thinking and collaborative partnerships. This demonstrates our commitment to deliver the most comprehensive nonwoven product range in the world. We're never done improving. Fibertex Personal Care. Trust in our fabric.